In this video of Back to Basics, I will be going over how to best use your calendar and some color coding techniques. First, you need to make a list of things you would averagely need to remember. For some, that might be school due dates, special events, sport events, and so on, depending on your personal schedule. Whether whiteboard, blackboard, a calendar you hang in your room, or one you carry around with you, it's good to have something physical to write your plan on. Color is key. Now, how you choose to color your calendar is completely up to you, with stickers, Sharpies, highlighters, chalk for your blackboards, or Expo for your whiteboards. The choice on how you color is yours. After you choose how you will color, make color connections. What should each color symbolize for you? Now that you know what color goes with what type of activities, you can put it on your calendar. Add when something comes up and take away if something is canceled. Just make sure you are keeping up with your calendar. Your calendar is of no use when you don't know how fast something is coming or how far away something is. This is why you should use something to mark off the days. My personal preference is to use an X, but just like how you color, it is up to you. Now, what was I talking about? In case you forgot, or you just weren't paying any attention, this video went through the usefulness of having any form of calendar and how to use it to your best interests.